Hey world! Welcome viewers! In this replay clip, we wanted to find the value of this expression 77 divided by 1 over 59 then times 59. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 59 divided by 59 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 77 divided by 1 equals 77. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 77 divided by 1 over 59. To do this division, write down the 77 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 59 over 1, which gives 59. And here again we have times 59. 77 times 59 gives us 4,543. So 4,543 times 59, which equals 268,037. And so our final answer to this problem is just 268,037. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Thanks.